Have you ever wanted to share internet with another phone or laptop, but you don't know Wi-Fi password? Or maybe you already connected to Wi-Fi and still need to pass the connections to another device.
Connection confirmed.
In this video, I will show you how to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. On many modern Android phones, you can enable the mobile hotspot without disconnecting from Wi-Fi. Your phone will actually share the Wi-Fi connections with another device. To do that, open Setting, go to Network or Connections, then tap Mobile Hotspot, then to Network Name. Now scroll down to get Wi-Fi sharing or Wi-Fi extending and turn it on. Some phones support this feature automatically, while other maybe require enable option like Wi-Fi sharing or extending. Once the hotspot is active, take the second device and search for available Wi-Fi network. You will see the hotspot name of your first phone. Connect to your first phone using the hotspot password, and that's it. The second device is now using the same internet connections. This feature is useful when you don't know the Wi-Fi password, when a network only allows one connected device, or when you want to quickly share internet with friends, tablets, or laptop. Keep in mind that not every smartphone supports Wi Fi sharing. Most newer Android devices support it, but some older models may switch to mobile data instead. And that's all there is to it. A single phone can receive internet from Wi Fi and share it with another device at the same time. If you found this useful and helpful, subscribe and don't forget to check out my other videos, and thanks for watching.